There is a very common confusion between two terms in research, method and methodology. But what is the difference between method and methodology? I remember when this question was made for me the first time, I stopped to think about and I said, well, I don't know. So it's very tough question when you start to do research because the terms are so similar. So in this lecture, we'll find the answer for this question and we learn what is method and what is methodology, and if there are any difference between both terms. So let's go. To help us understand what is method, let's make an analogy. Pizza. I suppose you like pizza. Probably like pizza. Maybe on the weekend, 3 times a week, or maybe every day. But I'm not talking about buy or eat pizza. I'm talking about making, cooking. Do you know how to make pizza or how to cook pizza? No? That's okay. Me neither. But someone to make pizza needs a recipe and follow the instructions step by step. Stick to the process. So that's the method. Step by step to make pizza. Methods are the approach that are used for the conduction of research. The techniques the researcher uses in performing research operations to achieve objectives. The process the researcher applies during the course of studying a research problem. There are two types of methods. Qualitative, that is used to collect in-depth and detailed data about the research topic and reviews the behavior and perception of people under research, and data collect are descriptive. The other type is quantitative. It is a systematic approach used to collect quantifiable data by performing computational, mathematical, or statistical techniques. There are many methods to be used in a research, but some methods that could be used are interview, observation, a survey, case study, experiments, and focus groups, just to mention a few. The methodology is much more than the recipe. It is the science behind the process that explain why that method works. The research methodology is the study of methods to establish an understanding of why these methods were used for the research. It is the science of learning the way research should be performed systematically. I hope you could understand the topics covered in this lecture, but if you have any question or problem, please just let me know.